Hello pilots, and welcome back to Sporty's Pilot Shop for another new product checklist. This is where the expert pilots here at Sporty's put together our top 10 favorite new products from this past month and bring them straight to you. This is the new product checklist for April 2026. Sporty's first ever product was a radio. The new PJ2 GPS continues that legacy with our most capable handheld radio yet. It builds on everything pilots love about the PJ2 Plus, and it adds integrated GPS for essential backup navigation data like ground speed, altitude track, and simplified waypoint guidance. You also get Bluetooth audio, a color screen with a backlit keypad, and night mode, and even a built-in intercom for clear cockpit communication. Just like every PJ2 radio, it features standard Aviation headset jacks on the top so you can plug your headset in without any bulky adapters. It comes with a USB-C rechargeable battery pack and a AA alkaline battery pack, giving you flexible power options. Simple when you need it to be, and capable when it counts. If you rely on your iPad for every flight, this bag is built for you. The all-black flight gear bag is compact, but it's organized around the iPad, which is the way most pilots fly today. It has a padded pocket with a charging pass-through and a headset hanger so your headset isn't getting beat up at the bottom of the bag. It's great quick grab storage for essentials like backup charts, a radio, a flashlight, and other flight essentials. It fits on or in between the seats when space is limited in the cockpit. The bottom has rubberized cleats so it doesn't soak up ramp water, and it even has a hidden e-tracker pocket for when your bag decides to go on its own cross-country. This is the all-black flight gear Crosswind bag. It's a favorite for student pilots because it holds all your training gear without costing a fortune. Up front, you've got a ton of organization for the basics, and the main compartment is sized for books and binders alike. It has a dedicated padded headset compartment, a spot for a fuel tester or flashlight, an expandable pocket for a water bottle or a backup battery, and a padded radio pocket. It also has an e-tracker pocket as well as an embroidery window if you want to make it your own with your name or your tail number on it. The bottom has rubberized cleats so it stays off the wet ramp. It's a great starter bag and honestly, a great forever bag too. This might be the most underrated upgrade in aviation, being comfortable enough to focus. The Pilot Gel Cushion uses a honeycomb gel designed to relieve tailbone pressure and improve airflow. It's a comfortable upgrade you'll appreciate in the cockpit or just any time you'll be sitting for a while. If your cockpit turns into a junk drawer the moment you climb in, this solves that problem. The Flying Caddy is a lightweight, secure cockpit organizer with turbulence-proof grip liners for your drink, plus removable rubber inserts to help lock it in place. It uses a secure lock anchor system that attaches to the floor and is designed to avoid your extras from rattling around in flight. It has extra organizer cavities for stuff like an iPad mini, phone, pens, and more. It keeps everything within reach and the cockpit a whole lot calmer. If you need a more premium flashlight that's still simple to use in the cockpit, the INOVA Rechargeable flashlight is for you. It has multiple modes including high, low, strobe, and SOS, and you can switch between them using a dial so you're not cycling through endless different modes just to get to red. And the output is serious. White is 762 lumens on high, and red is 165 on high, plus a tail cap that can double as a stand for hands-free use. It's great for pre-flight or in the cockpit. This is the Richardson 112 trucker ramp cap. If you spend any time on the ramp, at air shows, or in a blazing cockpit, you might already know why this style works. The mesh back keeps it breathable, the front stays structured so it doesn't get floppy, and the snapback makes it easy to get the perfect fit. If you want to make it yours, you can even add custom embroidery, logo, tail number, name, or whatever you want. It's the kind of hat that you grab for a quick flight, and then it accidentally becomes your everyday hat. If you got a hangar, patio, or pilot cave that needs a little bit more aviation, these LED aviation string lights are a fun addition. Each 100-foot strand has 12 airplane lights, and each plane is about 3 inches long with 2 3/4 inch wingspan. It's got a UL-listed plug and a water-resistant connection, so it works inside or out. It's one of those nice finishing touches for any pilot space that everyone can appreciate. This one's for the kids, and for anyone who's ever heard, "Can I push that button?" during cruise. The Jet Pilot Interactive Dashboard Playset gives your little co-pilot their own flight deck at home so they can channel their inner pilot. It's a wooden dashboard with a yoke, a 4-speed throttle, a scrolling map, plus lights and switches, and interactive buttons. It's meant for ages 3 and up, but we won't judge you if you have a little fun with it too. If Weather Radar and Data Link Weather have ever made you feel lost, this book is a great confidence builder. Navigating Weather by Dr. David Eisen helps you make better sense of what you're seeing on airborne and data link radar so you can make smarter decisions and stay away from trouble. It covers the basics that actually matter like tilt, gain, and attenuation, and then it gets into more advanced tools like turbulence and wind shear features. It's practical, scenario-driven, and easy to apply to real flights. And those are our top 10 favorite new products of April 2026. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the next month's new product checklist.